Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. These little wonders are packed with nutrients that can do your body good. They are rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats, which are essential for maintaining overall health. From your heart to your sleep cycle, pumpkin seeds offer a wide range of health benefits. They can help lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and even promote better sleep due to their high tryptophan content. Let's explore how these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your life. Whether you sprinkle them on your salad, add them to your smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack, pumpkin seeds are a versatile and delicious way to boost your health. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but mighty sources of magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Having enough magnesium can lower your risk of heart disease. So crunching on some pumpkin seeds can be a heart-healthy snack. Feeling under the weather? Pumpkin seeds can give your immune system a boost. They are full of zinc, a mineral that's essential for a strong immune response. Zinc helps activate your immune cells so they can fight off infections effectively. Adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can help keep those sniffles at bay. Trouble sleeping? Pumpkin seeds might be your new best friend. They contain an amino acid called tryptophan. Your body converts tryptophan into serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin promotes relaxation, while melatonin regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Snacking on pumpkin seeds before bed might help you drift off to dreamland. Tiny seeds, mighty protection. Pumpkin seeds and cancer prevention. Pumpkin seeds are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage. This damage can come from things called free radicals. Free radicals can increase the risk of cancer. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing your cancer risk. Men's health matters. Pumpkin seeds for prostate and beyond. Gentlemen, listen up. Pumpkin seeds are especially beneficial for men's health. They support prostate health. The zinc in pumpkin seeds contributes to healthy testosterone levels and sperm quality. So, adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can be a natural way to support your overall well-being. Digestive delight. Pumpkin seeds for a happy gut. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy balance. A happy gut means a happier you. Nutritional treasure chest. Vitamins and minerals in pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are like little treasure chests of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in a variety of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. One of the key vitamins found in pumpkin seeds is vitamin K. This vitamin is crucial for blood clotting, which helps your body heal wounds and prevent excessive bleeding. Additionally, vitamin K plays a significant role in maintaining strong bones, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Another important nutrient in pumpkin seeds is iron. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough iron, you may feel fatigued and weak. Copper is also abundant in pumpkin seeds. This mineral helps your body utilize iron more effectively and is vital for the formation of red blood cells. Copper also supports the health of your immune system and contributes to the maintenance of nerve cells. Manganese is another mineral found in pumpkin seeds. It plays a crucial role in metabolism, helping your body convert food into energy. Manganese is also important for bone health, as it helps in the formation of bone tissue and the regulation of calcium absorption. These nutrients work together to keep your body functioning at its best. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet can provide a natural and delicious way to boost your intake of these essential vitamins and minerals. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or use them in baking, pumpkin seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to your daily routine. Embrace the seed. Adding pumpkin seeds to your daily routine. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are small but mighty seeds packed with nutrients. They are a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into various meals and snacks, making them a perfect addition to your daily diet. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet is easy and delicious. These seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron. They also contain antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or seasoned, pumpkin seeds can enhance the nutritional value of your meals. Snack smart. Grab a handful of pumpkin seeds as a satisfying and nutritious snack. They are perfect for curbing hunger between meals and provide a good source of energy. You can carry them in a small container for a quick snack on the go, or enjoy them while watching your favorite show. Salad sensations. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top of your salads for extra crunch and flavor. They pair well with a variety of greens and dressings, adding a delightful texture and a nutty taste. Plus, the added protein and healthy fats can help keep you full longer. Soups on. Add pumpkin seeds to your favorite soups for a nutritional boost. They can be used as a garnish, or blended into the soup for a creamy texture. Pumpkin seeds complement both creamy and broth-based soups, enhancing the flavor and adding a dose of essential nutrients. Homemade trail mix. Create your own trail mix with pumpkin seeds, nuts, and dried fruit. This combination makes for a perfect snack that is both tasty and nutritious. You can customize your trail mix with your favorite ingredients, making it a versatile option for hiking, road trips, or just a midday snack. Baking bliss. Incorporate pumpkin seeds into muffins, bread, and cookies for a nutty flavor. They add a delightful crunch and can enhance the nutritional profile of your baked goods. Whether you are making sweet or savory treats, pumpkin seeds can be a great addition to your recipes. Smoothie boost. Blend pumpkin seeds into your smoothies for an extra dose of protein and healthy fats. They can help thicken your smoothie and add a subtle nutty flavor. This is a great way to start your day with a nutritious and filling breakfast. Yogurt topping. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top of your yogurt for added texture and nutrition. They pair well with both sweet and savory yogurt bowls, making your snack or breakfast more satisfying and nutrient-dense. Granola goodness. Add pumpkin seeds to your homemade granola for a crunchy and nutritious boost. They can be mixed with oats, honey, and other ingredients to create a delicious and healthy snack or breakfast option. Embrace the versatility of pumpkin seeds and explore the many ways you can incorporate them into your daily routine. From snacks to meals, these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your diet and overall health. Start adding pumpkin seeds to your favorite dishes today and enjoy the benefits they bring. So there you have it. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide array of health benefits. From heart health to sleep support, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. Add them to your diet and experience the difference for yourself. We'll be right back with more health tips after the break.